Hello friends! Welcome to Arabic Heroes. This is the place where Arabic letters come alive. Oh, something magical is happening. Who is coming through the portal? مرحبا يا أصدقائي. أنا حرف الألف. Can you say Alif? Wonderful! Alif. Today we're meeting our very first Arabic heroes. This is Alif. Alif is the first Arabic letter. Alif is friendly. Alif loves learning. Now, listen carefully. Alif says, your turn. Say, good job. Let's do it again. Alif says, now you say it. Excellent. One more time. Say it together with Alif. Amazing. You're learning Arabic. Let's learn words that start with Alif. Our first word is Asad. Asad means lion. Alif says, now you say Asad. Great. Our second word is Arnab. Arnab means rabbit. Alif says, now you say Arnab. Wonderful. Our third word is Ab. Ab means father. Alif says, now you say Ab. Excellent. Now it's game time. Can you find Alif? Look carefully. Where is Alif? There it is. You found Alif. Fantastic. Let's review what we learned. This is Alif. Alif says, your turn. Today we learned Asad, Arnab, Ab. Let's say them together. Asad, Arnab, Ab. Now you say them. Amazing work. You learned your very first Arabic letter. Ahsantum. Give yourself a big clap. But wait, another Arabic hero is coming soon. Who do you think it will be? Ma'a salama. See you next time, friends. Next time, we'll meet a brand new Arabic hero.